Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Pathfinders trainings. And we see Singapore Nifty is down about 102 points. And we all have a waking time, guys. What time do you wake up? Give me roughly what time do you wake up, guys? Give me your waking time. I wake up around okay. So, yes, 6 a.m., 5 a.m., 6:45, 7:30, 7 a.m. Okay, so that's a normal waking time between 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock for most of the people. When I'm a little more energetic, I wake up at 5. When I'm a little lazy, I wake up at 6 normally. I prefer 5 because then that gives me a lot of time in the morning. It gives me a lot of time in the morning, to do my other stuff, my exercises, my yoga, my thinking. And morning is a good time to start the thinking. In fact, one thing that I have done all my life, and I would recommend it as a good activity, is that once you get up in the morning, for 10 minutes, just sit, be with yourself. Don't do anything. Just be with yourself and just become comfortable with your breath, with your thought, with your body, the world. So don't plan for a work to do or an activity you want to engage with because you have got up. So that sort of starts you in a very positive mode, positive note. Great, guys. So let's do our 5 power breaths. Sit straight, close your eyes, spine straight. Take the awareness on your breath. Watch your breath going in and coming out. Becoming aware of the breath is the most relaxing thing in the world. Just be with your breath. We'll do 5, 10, 10. Get ready. We are starting in 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Keep your eyes closed and take the awareness back on your breath. For 1 minute, just be with your breath. On the count of 5, slowly open your eyes. Okay, guys, the US market seems closed here. So does Singapore Nifty, because this is not today's price. This is yesterday's price that it is showing. And yesterday I could get out of my full loss, and I'm running on a little about 9,000 rupees of profit now. So, and that was a good lesson in the morning, 9 to 10, how you can handle your losses when the market has gone beyond you, basically. So let's check it out and see the market. हमारा तो खुला है ना, our market is open ना, पता लगा I'm just sitting here telling you and our market is also closed. Okay. Vishal Singh, yeah, you have to update it every day, Vishal. So 3 straight losing days, but I'm out of the blues now. That was a good thing. I told you I was running about 56,000 rupees of loss. Now 8,000 loss I booked yesterday. Right now running about 9,000 rupees of profit. The trade is under control. That is the biggest skill, how to handle the loss professionally. So now I am at 1,61,000. This one, 16.1% is pretty okay. And I've enough. I think I'll finish my month in green now. Let's look at the market yesterday, and all the guys who are part of the you know intraday club at 9 o'clock. We have a special session by Ankur Undale on order flow analysis. So don't miss it. If you had given an advance for this intraday club in the offer, kindly do the full payment immediately by contacting Nikhil or with the link that has been sent to you, so that you can attend the session. Very important session today, order flow analysis, and we are seeing very good results on it. Okay, guys, if you look at the market, yesterday was almost a picture perfect gap filling trade. Here, this was the gap filling that happened. Let's look at the 60-minute chart and draw your channel. So these are the two distinct channels in which the market was moving, and now it is this channel in which the market is moving. See, this is the channel that we are looking at here. It's the channel that we are looking at here. And in this channel, if we see here, the price has not really gone up. This wedge, it is more or less creating. Okay. And then the third one is here. So these are the three angles on which the price was moving. Earlier, a very steep angle of almost 60 degree. Then it became about 45 degree, and yesterday the angle is close to about 20-30 degrees basically. So this clearly shows that the upper side, it is facing a lot of resistance. It is facing a lot of resistance on the upper side. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys. So today is important. Let's see here. Today, if it breaks this level, there are a lot of gaps to be filled on the lower side, and we have seen market as a habit of filling gaps. This one almost filled, and it is the closing price you see here. So, but still not fully filled. So that becomes the first target, 16,980. Then on here, this is another gap that is unfilled at 16,665, and the third gap that is unfilled is at 16,345. There are three gaps that are unfilled. And if I add into this a simple MACD, we see in the MACD here, we have a divergence, but not a sell signal yet. So wait for the market to take a trend. If I look at the Mera say FII seems to have stopped. Yesterday there was no action, Ketan. That's why yesterday's figure is not available. This is day before yesterday's figure, 22nd. Yesterday was 23rd. So they are still net sellers, 44,194 crores. Okay, let's look at the major stocks. How have they behaved? These top 10 now. Now, if I look at HDFC, look at HDFC here. HDFC has already broken the channel. Just let's see in uptrend which one has broken the channel. This one has broken the trend line. Trend is your friend till it bends at the end. HDFC Bank. Just let's draw the trend line. Almost, yes, it broke it yesterday. All those who are part of the intraday club and the running course, make sure you see the session. That was done yesterday in the morning if you are not present. And all those who are part of the intraday club, make sure you see the recording of the session again yesterday, how we handled a very big loss. This one, Reliance is still not broken the level. See here, Reliance here. So wait for it to break further down. SBI, SBI has not broken the level yet. This is SBI here. TCS, still strong. Infosys, going in the trend. See, ITC is very strong, 252 ITC. And ITC is a stock that has, fallen down, then moved up. See, look at the rise in this stock is meteoric, almost a 25% return around this level. So don't be in a hurry to short this. It can easily go till at least about 260 rupees level. Then Axis Bank here, then Kotak Bank that I'm looking at here. The session of Ankur Undale will start at about 9:30, guys. 9:15 the market will open. 15 minutes we will look at the market, and 9:30 to probably about 10:30. It will be long session today that we will be taking. Ankur, please note, you will be on at 9:30. Then Larsen and Tubro is a pretty weak one. And look at VIX. VIX has yesterday went from 21 to 24. And also keep an eye on the VIX today. VIX पे ध्यान रखिएगा. Give me your stocks, guys, you want me to see for you. Okay, sorry, I was giving instructions to Nikhil about today's special session. Okay, so your stocks that you want me to see for you is a lot. Today I'll do ulta. I'll go from bottom to top. I always go from top to bottom. Today, bottom to top. SRF, SRF, Godrej, Godrej, Adani, SBI card. Any idea why the Singapore Nifty is closed today? Is there any international holiday? US market was also Hero Moto, sale, Voltas, Deep Metal, Indian Hotel. Okay, let's start with these. We'll take more if I get time. SRF is almost a picture perfect double top with a bearish angle, and this is the unsustainable angle, so short is pretty okay in this. Godrej CP is in a continuation pattern. Despite filling the gap, it is going down. This level it has not, so I think this can be a good level for it. In the medium term, I think you can be looking for a target of about 500 rupees in this one. It's moving down and doesn't seem to have any support, at least till that level here. So Anand said no known reason why SGX is closed. So is 17. Yes. Also site SGX Nifty dot. No, that it is problem with money control. Singapore Nifty is open, guys. It is 17,194. 60 points down. Singapore Nifty is 60 points down. Somehow it is not reflecting here in this one, but it is open. Okay. Adani Enterprise is a operator driven stock. So here I have stopped shorting. Long is a much better trade in this one. Till the time the present government is in picture, I don't think this one will go down, even though it is very expensive. SBI card fundamentally a weak one, so we can see here this one is also moving in a upward direction, and this 888 can be the level where it can face resistance on the upward side. With the upward side. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, this is SBI card here now. Then Hero Moto is another. This is a retracement basically. So today would be important to see what trend the market takes. Sale is strong. If you look at sale has a breakout, a very clear breakout, and the breakout was with very good volume. Yes, it is a volume breakout that we saw in sale, and it can go further up with this kind of a breakout that has come. That is a pretty strong one. Guys in intraday club, let's check out if what were the delivery volumes for this. Then Voltas had a price rejection very clear yesterday in a sell zone, right there in a sell zone, and little more pressure down might bring it back at least 100 rupees now. And then we have Indian Hotel, and Indian Hotel is also a similar pattern that we are forming here. Then Ankur says Hiromoto was in news due to IT raid. Okay, then HUL, Hindustan Lever. Hindustan Lever is still very much in a downside, but Hindustan Lever has started becoming oversold now. I added to this. Let's see. So, and we look at Hindustan Lever. So, it is still oversold and the trend is down. And it didn't jump much up from here. So, that's not a good sign. In any case, it is an expensive stock. I think that is the level we are looking at 1750. 750 looks to be the level for Hiromoto, guys. Okay, then guys, that's all I can check now. It's a intraday club starting at 9 o'clock. So to clarify again, in this pre-market session, the people who will be present would be the members of the intraday club and people whose 1-year course is going on. The two people who get admission into this one here. Any outsider, if he wants, he has to pay a 4,000 rupees for this session. Okay, guys, thank you very much. All the best, because in this session, I'll also be picking up a lot of fundamentals and other things and a few strategies, because that will help us to make this session very, juicy, so that we are fully prepared at 9 o'clock. Right? So, just intraday club and the people who are part of the 1-year course. Just these two. Dear guys, thank you very much. All the best. And I hope all of you are doing good. And in Pathfinders, there is, make sure you look at the blog regularly. There are also a lot of free videos that are available here that you can check regularly. Thank you very much, and see you in 1 minute in the intraday club.